Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today let me show you the latest update for the plugin which brings support for HuggingFace AI for content generation in Aimogen. So Aimogen is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it, and let me show you how to set up HuggingFace to be used for content generation in Aimogen. So first of all, you will need to go to the settings menu of the plugin, API keys tab, and add your HuggingFace AI API key here. So to get one, click on this link, go to the access tokens tab. After you created your account, set it up, and you will be able to create a new token here. If you already have one, show it and copy it, add it here in the settings, save settings. Afterwards, you will need to set up also in the plugin what models exactly you want to use from HuggingFace. So for this, go to advanced AI settings, and here down you will see HuggingFace models. To select the model, click on this link, and the plugin will list all the models that you will be able to use. Be sure to select text generation models only, because other models are not currently supported. So after you selected your model, click on it and copy its full name. So in this case, it's Mistral AI Mistral 7B Instruct V0.3. So let's copy this and go to the plugin settings in the advanced AI settings tab and paste the model name, full model name here, and save settings. So after you have done this, you will see that the model appears here like this. You will be able to delete this model if you don't need it anymore, but let's keep it now just to go ahead and test it in the plugin. So you will be able to use it. If you added your model here, you will be able to use the model everywhere in the plugin where AI models are being used. So in Omniblocks, in single AI post creator, in bulk creator, in assistants, in chatbot. So let's go ahead and use it, for example, in single AI post creator. Keep in mind that you will be able to use it everywhere. And to use it, actually you will need to go to model settings, and instead of your current model, scroll down and select, let me move myself into the other part, and select the HuggingFace model that you just added. So it will be listed in the AI models, and let's say here, let's select a topic. Okay, and let's create a title for it. Now the AI is running, and here it is. Title, so you can select a title from the list of titles it provided. So actually it provided a list of titles, but revolutionizing sites, top WordPress plugins to watch in 2023. Okay. So you will be seeing the results here. Also, this will be able to be used in bulk AI post creator, for example, to select the models that you want to use. Scroll down, don't forget, and you will see the HuggingFace model that you added there listed. Also in the chatbot, this will be able to be used in the API parameters. Select the model that you want to use and hit save settings. Afterwards, the chatbot will be using this model. So let's enable response streaming and click hi. Okay, so you will see that some models are not perfect. In this case, I selected a smaller model, and it is actually responding for the user also. So yeah, you will be needing to check what model works best for you from HuggingFace. So for this, keep in mind, go to advanced AI settings, click the link to list all the models which are text generation models, and keep in mind that not all will work for you. Some will not work at all, as some are premium models. Some have some limitation that they don't work because they are too large, and they require some kind of premium setup from Hugging Face, but the smaller models will currently work. I will also update the plugin soon to make it work with larger models, because larger models require deployment from their part and it's a bit more complicated. Currently you can use smaller models, they will work well. Okay, so this is the latest update for Aimogen, bringing Hugging Face support for you guys, and let me know what you think in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.